Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I do how-to videos on various topics. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use a Google Meet extension in order to record your students' attendance. So it will basically give you a detailed report of when they entered the system, when they left, when they re-entered. This can be used by parents as well to know when their children are entering classes and how long they have stayed on their classes. So I'm going to be going through how you can install the extension and also how to use it. So stay tuned until the end of this video to find out how. Before we get into the video though, please subscribe to my channel to get more how-to videos like this one. Let's get into it. Once you are on Google, you're going to type in Chrome Web Store because we're installing the extension now. You can click on extensions. Once the page is fully loaded, you're going to go to the left where you see search the store and type in Google Meet attendance. These are the add-ons that you will see. The correct one is not here, so I'm going to click on more extensions. We're going to scroll down, and this is the add-on that we are looking for. The add-on with the 3 men. It's by Jake Crowley or Jake Crowley. What we're going to do now is click on the add-on, the extension, click on add to Chrome, and this is basically the steps you use for any extension that you want to add to your browser. Click on add extension. Whether it's Kami or another extension, this is the process that you will go through to add extensions to your browser. A message will pop up when it's finished. You're going to go to the top right hand corner where you see the icon that looks like a puzzle piece. Click on that icon. You're going to find the Google Meet attendance and click on the thumbtack icon to pin it to your browser. Once you click on that, it's going to be shown in your browser. So once you have done that, let's go to the classes. Let's look at how you can use this feature. Once you click on the Meet link, it means that you will be directed to the Google Meet platform. Click on Join Now, and once you join the class, you're going to see the Meet link password. Let's look at the People panel. Right click, and you can go to Save Attendance. That's all you need to do in order to save the attendance. Let's see what happens when we save, because I like to show you all the things that will happen so you have a general idea. You're going to choose the folder you want it to be saved to. What you can do is have a folder that you name by the class or by the grade if you so please. Click on save, and you will notice that this document is being saved in Excel. Let's open it and see. As you can see here, one student was in the class, so what was recorded is the time that she joined along with the date, and also the time that she left along with the date. So this is what will be recorded for all the students or all the people who joined the Google Meet. And let me take this opportunity to introduce the new feature that Google Meet also has, in which students can raise their hand. This is a great feature in order for you to manage how the students communicate. They can indicate to you that they would like to speak by raising their hand. So to recap, if you want to save the attendances of your students, you're going to right click on the people section and save attendance. To recap from the beginning, you will go to Google, type in Chrome Web Store. After that, over to your left hand corner, you will type in Google Meet attendance. If you don't see the right add-on, you're going to click on more extensions until you see the 3 men or 3 people grouped beside each other. That's the icon you are looking for the correct extension. Once you click on the extension, add to Chrome, and then click on add extension. After that, you are going to click on the puzzle piece in the top right hand corner, then click on the thumbtack icon in order to pin the extension to your browser. From there, you can enter your Google Meet class, right click on the people icon, then you can click save attendance. So if there's anything that you missed, you can go back to that section in the video. I will make sure that the timestamps will be placed in this video in the description. So if there's a particular part of the tutorial that you are really interested in and you want to see first, you can click on the timestamps below in the description. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel